I just started using GitHub issue tracker. I want to do a quick video on some of the things I learned. This is my GitHub repository. Here is the issue tracker. Here I can add a new issue or modify an existing one. I can assign labels, project, milestone on this particular issue. The first thing I did was I created some new labels, test, DLL, and BLL. I also created a couple of milestones. A milestone is really good when you have a lot of issues. You can put them into the different milestones you want to get it done. I also created a project. This is where I'm not totally sure the purpose intended for the project, so I'm just using it the way how I understood it. I'm creating a 2-week sprint, and I divided up all the issues into under development and completed. Once again, I'm not sure if this is the correct way to use it. On the issue tracker right now, I have one open issue and 9 closed issues. The really important thing here is for each issue, you would have an issue number. When you check in some code, you need to put this number at the beginning of your commit message. That is really important because once you do that, you would see something like this happen here. It would link this issue to your commit. So if I open this up, this is the exact commit. Here is that commit message. Here is that number at the beginning. So this is a really handy way of associating your issue with the code behind it. And right now, let me do a commit. So what happened was, I should have started using this since day one, but I got sidetracked by the design and the development. So what I did was I came back here and created all the issues. As a result, not every issue would have a commit associated with it. I did look into how to amend a commit message. However, I read here, if you already have pushed the commit to GitHub, then you have to do a force push, which is strongly discouraged. So right now I'm not doing any of those. On the other hand, say if I doing a check-in right now, I could possibly just find the issue that I want to associate my commit with. For example, I just updated my SQL category repository. What I can do is append the number 6 in front of this particular commit. I commit it and I push. Once that's in there, we should be able to see that commit show up here. As you can see, it's right here. This is my commit. I updated the code slightly. So that's a really handy way of associating code and issues. So that's pretty much what I have learned. This is a very important tool when it comes to development. Thank you for watching.